Many look back at August 6, 1945 as the dawn of the nuclear era, when the United States dropped an atom bomb on Hiroshima. Now, US President Barack Obama wants to write a new chapter in the world's nuclear history at a groundbreaking nuclear security summit.
A nuclear weapon in the hands of a terrorist is a danger to people everywhere, from Moscow to New York, from the cities of Europe to South Asia. So next week, 47 nations will come together in Washington to discuss concrete steps that can be taken to secure all vulnerable nuclear materials around the world in 4 years.
Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani, along with Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, as well as other high-ranking officials, are in Washington to attend the conference. Pakistan is set to be in the spotlight at a summit which focuses mainly on nuclear arms falling into the wrong hands. Abdul Basit, the spokesman for the Foreign Office, has stressed that Pakistan's nuclear arsenal is as safe as that of any other country.
I do not see any possibility whatsoever of Pakistani material or technology, nuclear material technology, falling into wrong hands.
The Pakistani delegation has traveled to Washington with high hopes from the Obama administration. Nuclear cooperation is high on the agenda on talks with the US. Chief among Pakistani wishes is a US-Pakistani nuclear agreement, similar to the one that the United States has offered India, although the Obama administration seems cold to the idea. Another of the expectations from the summit was a possible meeting with Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The US had pushed for a trilateral meeting between the three, but the Indians refused to participate in direct political talks with Pakistan. They also refused to hold bilateral talks with the Pakistani leader. Analysts say the Nuclear Security Summit will be a test of Obama's efforts to make controlling nuclear arms worldwide a signature foreign policy initiative. It is also important because decisions made at the two-day summit will affect defense budgets and weapons deployment and retirement for years to come. Sophia Saifi, DawnNews.